Today we will learn about relative pronouns. That's a fancy academic word. Say it together. Relative pronouns. That's a way of saying those little words that help connect or tell more about your subject or what you're talking about. Let me show you some examples that will help you understand this better. Some relative pronouns that are often used are words like who, which, and that. Who is for a person, which is a thing, or is used with a thing, and that could be with either, although it's more likely with a thing. Let me show you. I could have the sentence, my grandpa likes to eat seafood. That's a full sentence. It tells you the subject, who it is, and the predicate, what he does or what he likes. Here's another sentence that makes sense. My grandpa fishes every day. Now, if I don't want to have two sentences that start with my grandpa likes to eat seafood, my grandpa fishes every day, I could put these two sentences together. Here's a way that I could do that. My grandpa who likes to eat seafood fishes every day. So which grandpa am I talking about? Oh, I'm talking about the one who likes to eat seafood. What does that grandpa do? Oh, he fishes every day. My grandpa who likes to eat seafood fishes every day. That's a way I could put it together. Notice the green part. My grandpa fishes every day. That's one sentence. Notice the red part. My grandpa likes to eat seafood. That's another sentence. But we were able to use that relative pronoun who to put it together and to describe which grandpa we were talking about. Let's try a different one. Lobster is very expensive. That's a true statement. Here's another sentence. Lobster tastes very delicious. Another sentence. If I don't want to say lobster is very expensive, lobster tastes very delicious, let's put it together. Lobster, I'm going to use the bottom one this time, which tastes very delicious, is very expensive. Once again, the green part, lobster, is very expensive, is a full sentence. Lobster, tastes very delicious, that's another full sentence. But I can put them together telling which lobster am I talking about? Oh, the kind that tastes delicious. Here's a final example. Pizza has stuffed crust. The pizza is $10 at Pizza Hut. Let's put it together. The pizza, which one? Oh, the pizza that has stuffed crust. What about it? Is $10 at Pizza Hut. Again, that relative pronoun that, used for a thing, was able to connect our ideas together. Let's take a look at another one. Here are some examples that some students had done for me in the past. Esperanza. Which Esperanza am I talking about? Oh, the one who likes to go to the mall, buys shoes. The tree, which tree? The tree which is tall, what does it do? Produces apples. The highlight, which highlight? The highlight that is long is blonde. Again, putting more details in your sentence to describe which subject you are talking about. Here's some examples. I'm going to get them started You're welcome to practice on your own to think about what you could add there. I'm going to start out this one by saying the mom. Which mom are we talking about? What does she do? Which. So I'm thinking about a thing here. The plant. Here's the word that. The day. You know what? Instead of the day that, I'm going to say the day when. When's another relative pronoun I could use? I could also use the word where. So let me add that one here. So something where blank. So the school you may pause the video at this point. See if you can come up with your own examples for these particular situations. Hopefully you've been able to pause the video and come up with your own examples. I'm going to add some in for me. So the mom who had 3 kids, what did she do? Was always busy. So the mom who had 3 kids was always busy. The plant, which needed water, looked terrible. Which could happen if it's which plant? Well, it's the plant that needed water. The day. The day when I had a headache. I stayed home. Sorry, let me take away these. There we go. Take away that period because there's already one at the end of both of those lines. The school where we attended was empty. See if you could add some relative pronouns to your own writing to make them more interesting.